Vive. Simple, scalable wireless lighting controls for new and existing commercial buildings. Today, we're unboxing a Pico. This device is part of a Vive system. Vive works as a simple system. You can create a Vive system in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose load controllers. Step 2. Choose personal controls. And step 3. Choose sensors. Step 2 is choosing personal controls. Now, let's do some unboxing. The Pico wireless remotes come in 2 colors and multiple configurations. Today, I'm unboxing one of my favorites as an example, the Pico 3 BRL remote with favorite scene. Inside the box, you'll find the convenient Pico wireless remote and an instruction manual with details to help install and pair the remote to another device. But trust me, it's very simple. The Pico is meant to be installed wherever control is needed. It can be permanently fixed onto a wall with an accessory wall plate. It can be mounted on a pedestal accessory for personal control. With Pico, set the perfect light level where it's convenient. How many you need depends on the application. You can install as many as 10 Pico remotes per zone. That's like having a 10-way switch if one existed. The Pico is completely wire-free. You can count on it always working through Lutron's ultra-reliable Clear Connect wireless protocol, and the batteries are guaranteed for up to 10 years. This product is perfect for any commercial environment, old and new.